everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley Janae here, and today I filmed a hair review and I bought this wig from Amazon. This wig was $165.84. The color of this wig is 1B. The brand is from Wonder Girl. It is their body wave texture. This is a 24-inch wig. I was wearing it in the middle part before, but I decided to style it in a side part. Did put makeup on the part. I tried to do a little L-shaped part, slick back a little bit of the edges there. I've had this wig for about 2 weeks. So far, so good. I don't get any shedding. I would prefer it to be a little bit thicker because this is all the hair in the front, and I like for my hair to, you kind of see how it's a little gappy right here. I like for my hair to be really full towards the end. So if you like that as well, I would recommend messaging the seller and see if they have a higher density. Anything above 150, preferably, I would try if you want more. If you want something a little bit thicker than this. Without any further ado, y'all, let's get into this tutorial. This is just a small video on how the hair came packaged. I bought some extra wig caps, and it also came with a pack of wig caps and a thank you card, and also scrunchie, thread, and the hair came in a hairnet with 2 bags, the sealed bag and a satin bag. And as you can see, it looks a little bit nappy, a little bit rough, but here are the knots. They didn't come bleached, but they did say it came lightly pre-plucked. I didn't really see the pre-pluck, but that's okay because I go in and pluck anyway. So I began to wash the hair and I conditioned it really well, and the water was coming out a little bit brown, which I don't know if the hair is natural or not, or is it processed, but I end up plucking, styling, flat ironing the hair, and wearing it as a middle part for a while. But overall, I think the hair is great for the price that I paid for it. Now, this is the wig after not doing anything to it for about a week, and I was wearing it in the middle part at first, and this is how it looked when I was wearing it. Of course, it's not styled, and since I previously wore before, I'm going to take a wet towel with some alcohol and just rub all of that extra glue off, and then go ahead and lay my edges down with a Got2b gel or any edge control of your choice. And then moving forward, I decided to do a side part. So I'm currently positioning my part in a L shape to bring more hair on the side where my bang will lie. Then I'm going in with the Luster Pink Holding Spray to hold the cap down. Next, I just took a white eyeliner pencil to draw the outline of my hairline so I can cut just the right amount of cap off. And then I just went ahead and glued my wig down. Now I am currently plucking my hairline to make my hair less bulky in the front and allow it to give it more of that flat and natural appearance. I'm not a pro at plucking, but I've done it a couple times to know what the hairline should look like. The oil I'll be using is the BioSilk oil, and I'm going to use that to soften the hair, but I do recommend that you use heat protectant to prevent any heat damage. And then I parted my hair in 2 sections. I started in the back, and as you can see, my hair still has curls from when I previously worn this wig, and I'm going in with an old Revlon curling iron. I'm not even sure the barrel size, but I know that it gives those medium size curls, so if you like that, I would recommend getting something similar to this size. I like to curl my hair inward towards my face because I like the way it frames my face. And then after I drop that curl, I roll it into the direction that the curl would fall. and pin it up with a bobby pin. I'm going to fast forward and continue to use these same steps until we get to the top of the hair. Since I don't have a hot comb, I'm using my flat iron to flatten the top of my hair. And then instead of curling my hair inward at the top, I'm going to curl it away from my face, just because I love the way that the curls fall at the top when the curls are away from your face. It kind of gives it more volume, in my opinion. Also cut a few layers in front of my face because I love when the hair is curled and the curls fall and it falls right in place into those layers and just gives your hair more of a voluptuous look to it. We are all done, and I let the front pieces hang so they won't be so tight. And now it's time for the makeup, which I did off camera, and I'm currently taking the pins out, and I'm just going to finger comb my curls out with my hands and just positioning my hair the way that I want to. But first, we're gonna go in with some of that Got to Be gel, and we are going to lay those baby hairs. And I'm still not a pro at laying my baby hairs, but I make sure that I continue to manipulate my baby hairs in a way that it won't make the wig look too wiggy and it still appears to be on the natural side. So just continue to play with it until you think that it best suits you and your wig. Okay, you guys, this is it. It's the back of it. As you can see, a lot of body, bouncy. It looks very full, which I love. And look at that hairline. Okay. Yes, ma'am. All right, everybody, this is the final look, and as you can see, we are laid, honey. Okay, also, if y'all want to see how I created this makeup look, make sure y'all head over to my Instagram. I will link it up here, and I'll see y'all over there soon. Overall, I'm loving this hair. It's soft. I love the texture. I love how it's versatile. I can slide the wig over to the right and do it into a side part, and then whenever I get done with my side part, boom, I can transfer it back into the middle. And leave me some tips and comments down below of some more videos y'all would like to see, and I'll see y'all soon in my next one.